Uyu ni thibitari wa misheni wa Kiria-ini uria kwa ihinda riri noguo thibitari uria uratungata arwaru kuma uthaya kangimana icigirira ciaguo ona thengia waguo gukorwo uri munini undu uria ucungiriirie urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu kuria thirikari o undu umwe na andu a wendi mwega kunyitanira nao niguo kwambatiria gikiro gia thibitari uyu iri ta njira imwe ya kugacirithia motungata mao kuri muingi. Agikia muhoyo hindi ya ukungwiri wa Muthure Consolata, murugamiriri wa thibitari uyu Charles Okemwa oigite ni makoretwo magitungana na moritu makigeria gutungatira arwaru aria makoretwo magiuka thibitari-ini uyu.
The challenges is the community is poor. People don't have money. There are most of them farmers and most of them don't have NHIF.
Akiorota mamwe ma maundu maria maratanya gukinyaniria ni kugia na mashini cia kiriu cia urigiti o undu umwe na gwaka wadi makiria.
We only depend on user fee. Maybe 200 shillings which is paid here. It is not enough to expand the facility. It's not enough to do a building. It's not enough to buy an equipment of 3 million or 5 million or 10 million.
Umwe wa ikari kuma mwena uyu Julius Kamau oigite thibitari uyu ni ukoretwo ugitungata muingi na njira iria yagirire ona thengia yaguo gukorwo na uingi wa arwaru.
Maybe they can also bring on board some specialists who come on call or who are not found here on a day-to-day basis.
No na kuhana uguo urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu ni uritie thirikari kwambatiria gikiro gia thibitari uyu nginyagia level 5. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Geto Wangui wa Gathogo.